I'd say that parenting is the easiest job in the world, and no mom should ever complain about how hard her job is. All you have to do is make the kid, have the kid, keep the kid alive, and feed the kid, and then everything will be okay, right? Now, if any of you have kids, you're ready to throw a book at me. If any of you don't have kids yet, you're probably scratching your head and saying, what on earth is he talking about? The reality is, having and raising kids is extraordinarily complicated, especially for those of you that know that. Why am I talking about how simple having kids is? Well, you see, the reality is people talk about doing phone repair and running a phone repair business a lot of times like they do having kids. They think having kids is easy, or running a phone repair business is just about learning phone repair skills. And I get that all the time. And that's why in my videos I joke around about watching Star Trek while I'm doing phone repair, because doing phone repair, the actual work I do on this table, it's actually so easy that I watch TV shows while I do it. It's amazing. It's a lot of fun. But what are the things that actually takes to run a phone repair business? In the same way that being a parent takes a lot more than simply making, having, and feeding a kid, running a phone repair shop is a lot more complicated than that. First of all, and so I'll just run through 5 things. A friend of mine on Facebook shared a list of these 5 things, and I think he's right. Here are 5 basic things just to start you need to know to run a phone repair business. First of all, you need to know how to do sales. You need to know how to sell to people. You need to know how to get customers, and you need to know how to do sales. You need to know how to do marketing, which is a part of sales, but you still need to know where to get your name out there. You need to know how to do customer service, because things go wrong all the time and people are serious about their devices. So you need to know how to handle people well, how to win friends and influence people. Watch another one of my videos and you'll learn how to do that. You also need to know time management. You need to know when to give up on something, how to manage the time you spend on this versus the time you spend with your family. And you need to know how to be consistent. Because if you can't be consistent in your performance, in your customer service, in your repairs, and more, then you don't have a business. The reality is the easiest part of this whole business is learning how to fix phones. You can learn that on YouTube. Everything else is what it takes to actually grow a profitable screen repair business. That's the reason I work to coach people every day. That's the reason I'm so excited about this industry, because even though phone repair is easy and the rest of it is complicated, the rest of it is soft skills. It's stuff that you can learn. It's stuff that you can pick up with teaching, with coaching, and with effort. You can learn all these things of running a phone repair business, and I can help. I teach all this in my 8-week course at Screen Repair Business Academy. If you're interested in learning more, comment on this, shoot me a message. I'd love to help you out. And for those of you mothers that may want to kill me at this point, I don't believe that having a kid is dead simple. I believe it's actually really complicated, and it's one of the most noble jobs in the world to raise kids and have kids and all that stuff. Hey, I wish you the best. If you're interested in getting into the phone repair business, give me a call or a message. I'd love to help you out. Take care.